We now have a session around new AV over IP technologies. And yeah, what we have here as a new product is an SDM card for AV over IP solutions. SDM means it's an industry standard for displays, for projectors, where you can fully integrate this device into a display, into a professional device, to have an endpoint. And yeah, I'm happy to have you here, Katrin from Matrox, so that you can talk a little bit more about the use cases, what this device can actually do. So yeah.
Thank you very much for inviting me to do this short interview and to speak a little bit about Convert IP SDM. The idea is basically that we are supporting an open standard for video over IP, and you may have realized IPMX is an award-winning standard this year at ISE, actually the first technology standard that won an award, because it's the most flexible and an open standard that fosters interoperability for video transport over IP. Common use cases, as it is a sister standard to SMPTE 2110, are broadcast. This is actually also where it comes from, but now it's of course populating into the AV and corporate AV IT industry. So convention centers, meeting rooms, corporate distribution spaces, auditoriums in schools, etc., are typical use cases for that, and they win a little bit more flexibility compared to what has been there before in terms of solutions.
So you were just talking about the flexibility when it comes to the different video formats. What about the quality? Because quality for us at Sharp is very important. Our displays, they show the best picture in the market. But yeah, so we also want to make sure that the picture quality, what comes into the display, is at its best.
Yeah. So one of the benefits of these standards is they are supporting different color spaces. So for us, as you know, the pixels making the quality, we speak about color space conversions. We speak about RGB and YUV specifications. 444 is the best quality that you can get, and that is what we are supporting. But also towards the broadcast industry, YUV is a discussion. 10-bit is also an upcoming trend. So this is what this can do, and we are not locking you to aspect ratios either. So this is another flexibility when we speak about the AV over IP standard, that you have more or less even the possibility to do custom resolutions if you need that.
Okay, so that means in general uncompressed as the best one, but also when it comes to compressed video signal, if the bandwidth of a customer is limited, that's also possible.
There is light compression options, and this is one of my favorite phrases presenting IPMX. Compression is now an option. Yeah, when you look into other technologies, you have that chip, that codec, that tells you what you're allowed to do. In IPMX, you can do uncompressed as well as compressed, such as SMPTE 2110. And that codec is also interoperable with other companies that actually use the compressed workflows, because interoperability is a key word for SMPTE 2110 and IPMX.
Cool, perfect. Thank you. Thanks, Katrin, for being here with us to give us really a deep insight into the latest AV over IP technologies. So yeah, I hope you have received a lot of information, and yeah, looking forward to hear from you.
And contact us if you have more questions, Eric or me at Matrox. So we are happy to help you getting into it.
Thank you.